Hello. Yeah, this is the right microphone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream. There's Jax, there's Tomo, there's Cider, there's Neon, there's Johnny. Was there anyone else that didn't appear on my tablet but did appear on the screen? No, it wasn't. There wasn't anyone else. Okay, cool. Has the bot even bothered announcing it? Yes, it has. Look at that. That's half the reason I wait so bloody long, because it takes forever to actually announce the thing. Well, I did actually announce it quite quickly this time. Okay, fair enough. Not too bad, not too bad. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone is good. Let me just get some. Let me just turn the desktop audio down to an amount where music is actually acceptable. Or background music anyway. 29.7 seems fine. Let me just find music. I was playing that directly off the YouTube audio library. So I've now got to find my other stuff. Invert selection. Add to Windows Media Player list. Because I still haven't set up VSC yet. Okay, and apparently that will just work now. I think, I can't remember where I had it last time. Was it like 35 or something? Welcome Farquad to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. There we go. Oh, that's not quite the screen you're supposed to see, but whatever. It's fine. I turned off a bit too early. Get that double zoom because I know people like it. I've got to do pip install -r. Do I have? I do have a requirements.txt, but I want to remove Sake for now, and be able to utilize Python 3.10. All that stuff was already commented out. What is the thing? So that should now just work. And we've got the new version of Lightbulb, which fixes the typing errors as well as the bug that I may have accidentally introduced that made it impossible to load extensions from a directory on Windows, but it's fine. Okay, so that's music is very loud in my ears. I'm just going to turn that down a little bit. So I don't know where we got to in terms of the plan or anything. We got to apparently we literally completed all of task 2. So now, well, I feel like we did sending a reply and a message. Did we do all that message stuff last time? We did. So we did all of task 3 as well. Not task 3. I'm so used to doing my assignment. That is part of the reason why this stream is so late. It's because I had an assignment due at 4 and I wanted to make sure that I had all the time I needed to be able to do it. I didn't actually need that time in the end, but I'd already set the time to 6:30, so. And I had a tutoring session at 5. So it was a lot of the time was quite movable, but whatever, it's fine. Yeah, well, Windows is pretty bad for programming, to be honest. It's good for other things. Programming, not so much. Thanks for the follow, Artificial Crystal, by the way. Do appreciate that. I was about to say, by the way, if you are enjoying the stream. Bit of a meme for 10 minutes in, though. There we go. Got the music in the end. I was wondering where it had gone then. So yeah, after this stream, I'm probably going to start doing some planning off camera, just to speed things along a bit. I'm not sure when the stable version of Hikari. That's still really loud in my ear. Is that loud for anyone else? Yeah, I'm still not sure when the stable version of Hikari is coming out. Hopefully the initial estimate of series starting in January 22 or January 2022 still holds, but yeah. Right, did we create any extensions? Oh, we did! Whoa, we got quite far with that actually, apparently. Also, why is Lightbulb... What? It's definitely there. Oh, God's sake. This is some weird bug that's been introduced into VS Code in the last version or so. Where like, there we go. But like the actual, the venv and like the one it's using, the interpreter that VS Code is using just don't match a lot of the time. And also it thinks we're using Python 3.9, we're using Python 3.10. So I don't know. Apparently we did a lot of the extension stuff already by the looks of things. We got further than I thought we did. Damn, we covered a lot of ground. Adding commands. So I think we've... Yeah, we've added quite... Yeah, we've added the commands there. We've done ones with options. We've done ones with default options. I'm going to presume they work. I don't remember if we tested them or not. I don't remember doing this last stream, if I'm being completely honest with you. Yeah, sure, fine. So next thing on the list is command checks, which I learned how to do very recently, actually. So what would be a good... Actually, you know what? For this command checks, we're going to do our shutdown command, I think, because this provides a pretty perfect example. Of, you know, the whole checks thing. There we go. I can't talk today. I've been talking basically all day. plugins dot plugin. That would be lightbulb dot plugin, and we're not. This isn't Carberra. We don't need to be that specific. And admin. And then we can do plugin dot. Is plugin dot priority a thing? That seems weird. And then at plugin dot. I think the checks come first, and it might be lightbulb dot checks. I don't. I can't remember if it's plugin dot check or lightbulb dot check. Well, actually, because it's decorators dot check, I think it would be lightbulb dot check then, wouldn't it? Lightbulb dot check. Okay. Welcome boosted to this stream. Hope you're doing okay. Lightbulb dot add checks. Is it? Why can I not type? I've typed lightbulb wrong the same way every single time. I don't think I did that with Carberra. Give me 1 second, Mandundo. Oh my... Come on! There we go. Jesus, just don't... Nothing wants to do anything I tell it to do today. I'm almost positive. Oh, it is add checks. Okay. Was this like, was lightbulb check version 1 thing? Checks go first, yeah. So it'd be lightbulb.commands. Just be, it'd be shut down on it. Shut the bod down. And async def. Come on, shut down. Is that the naming convention I've done in the others? It is the naming convention I've done with the others. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we're fine. Everything's fine. I believe the maintainer of lightbulb. Well, I thought, for some reason I had it in my head that it was lightbulb.check. I don't know why. I also forget if it's... I think it's this, isn't it? I'm fully aware I've forgotten the implements. I'm going to go back for it. Oh my god, I've done too much Carberra. I don't know how anything works outside of it. Lightbulb.implements. Actually, no, we do actually import commands, don't we? Normally. Which means this would be commands.context? I forget. It is, okay. Oh wait. Oh no, we just never type hinted them. Okay, was I gonna bother type hinting them? I don't remember. I really don't. We'll see if I end up type hinting them properly in the actual tutorial series. We will at least give it a return type of none. This would be await ctx.respond. Would this be a good showing of ephemeral stuff as well? We've actually really got to like plan where we're gonna do what. I guess is actually a good point because there's a lot of stuff. You know, we'll have. We'll have one that's like advanced commands, I guess. So our simple commands will have, you know, it'll just be, you know, making it a prefix command, making it this, that, whatever. Having the options and that. And then in the advanced commands, there'll be a command that does like ephemeral message sending, and I forget what else you can do with it, like auto deferring and stuff like that. But for now, we'll just do our checks one. Because by now, people would know to put the ephemeral in there. And then that would we need and await ctx.close. Yeah, that's it. No, ctx.bot.close. And that will shut the bot down. Oh, bloody OA. Stupid ZSH bug they just don't ever fix. Python-m tutorial. Yes. Oh, hello. Missing a load function. That does make a lot of sense. Oh, got so much logging, Jesus. So that should, in theory, just work like that. So it works like that, and then shut the bot down. It'll be ephemeral. Okay, cool. Although maybe I don't know whether to have checks and like other command things in one episode, because I don't feel like either of them are going to be that long, but I don't necessarily think they're related, which is the other issue. So this is the proper planning. It's so difficult to plan these things. No, I guess we can see what other options are in. Oh, it's quarks. Where do the quarks go? Oh, okay, they're all here. Oh, this is where aliases and that go. Okay. Really affect application commands. Okay. Pass the argument parser to use for prefix commands. Goodness. Okay. Auto defer. We want to automatically defer the response when the command is invoked. So initial response to deferred message create for interactions, and for prefix commands typing to be triggered in the invocation channel. ephemeral hidden, and inherit checks. Goodness. Right, okay. So yeah, I guess, yeah, we'll do that in a separate video then. Just get rid of all that crap we don't want. We'll look at different checks in a bit. Is now I need like an example where we could. Is this microphone doing mono at the moment? What the hell is going on here? What the heck is going on here? Yeah, something weird. Hang on. Okay, well apparently the microphone is just mono now. That's interesting. I've not even got it set to mono. What? I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. It's normally stereo, but apparently not. Okay, that's just super loud in my ear again. Okay, we'll leave that for now. I need like example stuff. Yeah, that isn't too intrusive. I'd ideally not want to resort to examples that are like, this is an example command or whatever, you know what I mean? You too, Jax. I don't know. I really have no idea. I'll just call it advanced.py for now. And then we might just have like just I might just have a series of example commands. I don't know if I could be like bothered. Plugin stop plugin advanced. Whoops, not advanced. Is advanced. Oh my god. And it's lightbulb.plugin. I am far too used to Carberra. My god. Already. That'd be plugin.command. Welcome, DarkN332 to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Lightbulb.command. So what were the other checks we can use? And that's just open back up again. That's fantastic. Oh, so that's like setting the error handler thing. Function to register as the command's error handler. That might be an interesting one to try out, but I don't think I'm going to do that here. I don't think this is going to be more command. It's just going to be like more command options or something. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do at all. Alias, and then you have like this is an alias command, and then aliases equals a. Yeah, we'll just have it like that, I suppose. And then at lightbulb.implements commands.prefix command. We don't want the slash commands. We do want from lightbulb import commands hair is getting very annoying. And then async def. Come on, aliased. And you have your context. And then we'll just have some like really simple thing. This command was invoked using, and I might as well show this off as well actually. ctx.invoked with, and then is that a function or is that a variable? I do not remember. I don't think it's going to tell me either because I didn't type in anything. Ah, beautiful. This is why you type in things. It's a property. Okay, that's fine then. So if we run that, oh, hang on. Oh, it's basically a bloody... I'm actually going to do... No, I'll just leave it advanced for now. I'll come up with a better name for it later. And then the load and unload. Like that. And then aliased. Hey. Big nice. If I do this. No. I think it does do that if it's set to Markdown, but not if it's set to Python, annoyingly enough. So that's aliased stuff. And then there is... And there's ephemeral. I don't know what order to do stuff in. The guild stuff I think we can like gently touch on, but like we don't really need to do anything with it. What is this plugin.priority thing? Is that a thing? Because I keep getting suggested it. And then if we do ephemeral. Whoa! Thank you, John, for the Prime sub. Do appreciate it. That's fair. Have fun working. Yeah, thanks Stuff By for the Prime sub. Do appreciate that, my dude. That actually does remind me that if you do have Amazon Prime and you haven't used your Prime sub yet, then you have one available to you for free. So feel free to use it on your favourite streamer. Whether that's me or not, I don't really care. But just make sure you use it on someone. I actually do need to use it. I got mine that I haven't used on anyone. I need to use it on someone. Yeah, it really is a very nice price. No Prime, yeah. Unless you live in a country where Prime subs don't exist, like India, in which case that's just annoying, really. I don't really know why they haven't done that. But ephemeral messages, and then lightbulb.commands. That's not what I wanted to do. Implements. So, you know, I'm gonna say, I'm gonna check the autocomplete here. Lightbulb.priority. No, tab 9 just thinks, what? You know, I am tempted to turn tab 9 off. It's been more of a pain and it's been useful ever since I reinstalled it. You know what? I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to get rid of tab 9. Because it's just annoying. I don't know why. For some reason, reload required. For some reason, it just has not been useful at all ever since I reinstalled it. It used to be really good. And also uninstall like a load. I was experimenting with themes the other day. And I should probably uninstall a load of them. I think that was I don't remember. Because I decided that I didn't like any more than the other one. I'm going to keep one Dark Proto because that seemed alright. But for now, I'm going to stick with I. The problem is that most of these themes don't have like colored imports, and I think now I couldn't live without that, because it has a color for methods, so it has yellow for methods, it has blue for imports, and for properties it's white. And like the different color differentiations are so goddamn useful. And most themes don't have them, and I don't think I can live without them. Plus, I'm so used to the colors. Like, is there a way of modifying a theme? Because ideally, I kind of want to change it from blue to grey. I don't know if that's possible. If anyone knows a way, do let me know. I mean, there is IU dark bordered, which kind of changes it to black. Well, sort of. Probably create your own. Yeah, probably. Which is annoying. You know, we'll rock the IU dark for the time being. It does look kind of cool. I do like it. Although I don't know whether... I think IU dark is a bit... Actually, I don't even know if the border does anything. Yeah, IU dark does look a bit nicer. Probably use one dark pro. Well, it's the colours. I'll change it. Remind me when the stream is about an hour in or so, and then I'll change it out. And we'll get used to it. Because I don't want to rock this for a bit. See how it is. Yeah. We'll rock this for half an hour, then we'll rock the One Dark Pro for half an hour, and we'll see. I'll make a decision live on stream. That seems like an idea. CMD. See, I'd want IU grey. That's the thing. They have the dark and they have Mirage, but they don't have grey. It's annoying. But anyway, I'm gonna stop complaining about IU now. I've spelled that wrong. Oh my god, I spelled it wrong every single. Have I spelled it wrong here as well? I don't even know what that word means in the English dictionary. Wait, ctx.respond. This command. This can only be seen by you. And then I want to test, actually, in this ctx.respond. Can I do ephemeral equals true here? I'm pretty sure you can. Oh, no, right. Just actually imagine not speaking Klingon. Oh, it's despicable, really, isn't it? Ephemeral. Well, that just didn't work. Did I screw it up? I think I screwed it up. Oh, I didn't make it ephemeral. That was good, wasn't it? Welcome, Neon, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. It's a very short period of time. Ephemeral. So now, yeah, there we go. Now it actually works. Actually, I can't use it here because it's a prefix command. So can you shut down, please? There we go. That was weird. The terminal freaked out. Okay. I closed the file, I think. God damn it, why did I do that? I didn't want to do that. Oh, I can't reopen the file. Won't let me reopen it. Fine. Oh, there we go. Oh god, it's having a fit. Is the... Is VMMEM... Oh, it's using a ton of RAM. I don't know why it uses so much RAM all the time. Oh, what the definition of ephemeral? I see. It's a very short period of time. What, lasting for a very short period of time? Then that's not accurate to how Discord has decided to use the word ephemeral. So what else can we do? We can do an auto defer. Dot commands. Lightbulb dot commands. Defer. This command auto defers. And then we're going to do auto defer equals true. What T's on option? What do you mean? And this can implement both. Oops. Commands./commands. Oh, I just realised I've probably got to do a video on bloody groups, and ugh. Well, I don't know why I was so upset about that. I guess I just don't want to do them. Groups are annoying. I haven't actually managed to get /command groups working in Lightbulb either, so that's fun. Command groups. Come on. These are the options. Oh god. Oh right. Oh, did I? Oh, I completely missed that message. Lust and Fagring. That was. I tried, and it didn't work at all. Or should I do? We'll do groups first. So checks a sort plan. That sounds fun, so go with that, I suppose. Yeah, that one also sounds quite interesting. Just the ones that we don't know what they mean, basically. Sound interesting. Command defer ctx none. Await. If we do await, just asleep. For like 3 seconds or 5 seconds. I don't know how long it takes to defer. 3 different votes. Yeah. Oh no, I've either taken away the terminal or I've crashed the terminal. One of the two. Oh yeah, the bot isn't turned on at the moment. And I don't know if I can be asked to actually go and turn it on. Do people want the bot turned on? Or do they not care? ctx.respond. That was 5 seconds. And then we're also going to make ephemeral equals true. Okay, I've decided these are going to work like... We commit my 7k changes. So I don't really know why this git thing has happened. Oh yeah, I know what's happened. It's because I'm storing the history. Oh wait, I was storing the history, wasn't I? Oh Jesus. After section 3. Oh yeah, so I'll do another commit after section 4, I guess. I made my first commit after section 3. I didn't do it after section 2. Oh, that's going to be annoying. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, that's why it's all there. I basically just do commit all, pretty much, and probably break a lot of stuff in the process, but it's fine. Doesn't matter. So we're now going to advanced. This will tutorial is thinking. Damn it! Oh, can it not do ephemeral messages like that? I thought I could. Ah, I can't. Okay. Light bulb dot slash. That'd be commands dot slash context. No, it'd be light bulb dot slash context. Right? Wrong. Light bulb dot context dot slash context. Right? Right, okay. And then we're gonna go to, oh, for Christ on a bike's sake, dude. Dot respond. Just give me the damn function. Well, I had to really find it then. Oh yeah, it's that, isn't it? That just seems so weird to do. Oh, that's the thing. It just doesn't make an awful lot of sense. Welcome Carla to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. I'm pretty sure I asked you about this before, Tom, in the server, and I just forgot. I just, in the intervening time, I just completely forgot. Defer. Tutorial is thinking. That was 5 seconds. Can do defer, and tutorial is typing. Oh, we're gonna hydrate. We have ourselves a hydrate. Right, let's see if I can be as loud as possible. Yeah, okay. I think you may have heard that. Just a bit. There's a small chance you may have heard that. This is black tea with rhubarb, strawberry, and passion fruit bits. Oh my god, I cannot think of anything that sounds worse. That sounds terrible. Alright, see you in a bit, Jack. That was a very loud sip. It's my favourite tea. It sounds awful. Masterclass ended. Nice. So yeah, that is... Right, are those all the ones I wanted to talk about? Oh, there's hidden. There's inherit checks, which I don't really care for, and there's the error handler, which might be useful. I wonder, is that... Welcome... Is that Hastros? Nastros. I think that's Nastros. Can't read it very well, because it's quite small. Welcome to the stream. I think it's like an N with a squiggly bit. I don't remember the name, I'm so sorry. Where's Hikari? It is a Discord.py alternative. Specifically, the one that we're using. Fiastros. Ah, I see. Yes, I can see the F in the I now. Well, yeah, it did a ligature, so it didn't put a dot on the I. So I just didn't see it at all. You don't even drink tea. Yeah, I know, that's why it sounds terrible. But it's got bits in it. Like actual real bits. Ugh. And rhubarb sucks. I hate rhubarb, I think. Do I hate rhubarb? I think I hate rhubarb. I don't remember. And I don't like strawberry flavoured things for the most part. Welcome. Oh god, loads of people joining today. Welcome, Sweetie, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Don't think I've seen your name before around before. That's what I meant. Same with Fiesta, actually. Okay, we will do the error handling. So Tom, this is a question for you. Is, say, well, is the inherit, not the inherit, where is it? Is the error handler the same as like in discord.py we had like at command.error and then did the command error there? Is that the same thing? So I presume it is. But I want to check before I screw it up. It takes a listener T, which I don't quite understand. I'll set error handler. Decorator. Oh, there's a decorator. So I could probably do a service that is a big F. Start set error handler. So if I do say command.defer, well, actually, you know, if I make a new command, that will always be wrong in the same way. Lightbulb.command divide by 0. Divide by 0. This is just always the error I go to. Whenever I need to test if an error like is working or something, I always just do 1 divided by 0. And we'll have aliases to like divide by 0 like that. Dot implements commands dot prefix and then commands dot slash. I think diff command just 0. Screw it, I can't be asked to type the whole thing. You know, we'll just have 0. CTX. Happy using to theme my Windows 10. So the taskbar is translucent TB. I would recommend getting the version off the Microsoft Store and not the exe that you can download online, because that doesn't work properly. At least where I did. The store version works. The store version. Wow, I can't talk today. The store version works fine. And then the wallpaper's wallpaper engine, and then everything else is just standard Windows 10 stuff. Which when I go home over the weekend, which this weekend, I'm going to bring up my second computer, and then after that I'm going to record a video of me upgrading to Windows 11 and trying it out, because I've decided that I do want to try it, but I will make a backup ISO of Windows 10 just in case I want to go back. But I will do like the whole like. Is it even still letting me update? It should still let me update. Okay, it's actually not letting me update anymore. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do it. Really? Can I not do Windows 10 anymore? Or is it because I've got a Windows 10 update? Oh, I've got the 20H2, the 21H2 update to do. That's probably why it's not letting me do it. This song is Sunday Skate in Golden Gate by Otis McDonald? Question mark. Hey, I got it right. Actually, what I will do, I will have like I will have the tiny player. Always show now playing on top, and I'll have that over on this screen. Whoa, Jesus. So I can control the music if I need to. I'll move that, there we go. Put that in there. Fantastic. So now I can always see what's playing too. But yeah, I'm going to show myself upgrading to Windows 11 and trying it out. Yeah, VLC. So that's the Windows Media Player. I could get VLC Player, and I'm going to, because with VLC Play you can actually you can add playlists that OBS can then connect to, and then you can stream the music directly through OBS itself, which is cool. I don't know if it's a bit overkill, but it's certainly cool. So await. Oh, just do 1 divided by 0. I'll do await ctx.respond because it might act slightly differently. By 0 is and this will never happen because it will error. However, we can do, is it set error handler? Like that? I guess it's like that. Async def command 0. It's also just occurred to me that I'm now hungry, and it's also occurred to me at the same time that I have literally no snacks left. Pretty much. Which is a problem. So I think we could do if. Oh no, this is not going to be. It's CTX, is it? What does it actually take? I'm actually not sure what this is going to take. I'm presuming context exception, maybe. Oh my god, C callable. Oh, it takes the actual event itself. And it returns a boolean. That's weird. Takes a command error event. Okay. So it actually takes the event. Okay. Actually, can you pass anything to the decorator itself? Or is it just... No. Okay. That's fine. Well, that means that what I've done actually probably won't work. If it's a second order decorator, it's going to have to be that. Pause every 2 seconds, that's not good. Boolean indicates whether or not the exception was handled. Okay. Where would you be able to access that? So be lightbulb, I guess lightbulb dot commands error event. You have exception equals get attra event dot exception original event dot exception. If is instance exec division by 0 division error. Then await event. I'm presuming context. You can't divide by 0, silly. Except when infinities are involved, but we don't talk about that. We're assuming plebeian level mathematics here. That's true. It is cause, not original, isn't it? That's just something we're going to have to unlearn. I'm still a little bit used to Discord.py. Oh my god, 20 people are watching this stream? That might actually be a record. Hi everyone. Shit, cause check failure won't be unwrapped properly. Okay. Oh wait, check failure. Wait, so command error events do have original, but check failures don't. Interesting. If anything else happens, just I guess raise the event.exception normally. Well, just raise, raise the whole thing for completeness sakes. Just return for okay. I'm guessing this feeds into the error handler somewhere. Return true if you handled the error. Oh. So, okay, I'm guessing this feeds back into the main error handler. And that's why it's returning true and false. Event propagates down the chain. I see. Okay. Right. That makes more sense about where you'd actually use it. So if we... That should be everything we need. Nope. Alright, see you later, Neon. I'm presuming exception wasn't actually what I thought it was. What actually is it? Because we are supposed to be catching it. It's not going to say, is it? Pokemon handler per plugin handler, global handler. The decorator. Did I? No, I didn't. Oh no, I did. That would probably explain some things. Oh, now I'm using the wrong command. God damn it. Okay, cool. Right, we've now implemented the single most roundabout way to do that, but you know, it's the example principle that we're working with here. Okay, so I think that's pretty much everything I wanted to talk about, really. I don't think I need to talk about anything else. Oh, maybe in terms of options. Oh god, there's stuff with options too. Now I can change the theme. That is very true. It's close enough. To the hour. Was it One Dark Pro? Oh, that's very... I'm so used to the dark now. Pro or flat? Oh, I prefer the Pro. I love how One Pro Dark is only ever so slightly dark. I do kind of prefer it though. I don't like the bold variable names. I'm a Dracula. I don't like the purple. That's the thing. I just kind of don't. Right, does it have coloured import? It does! It has coloured imports. We might be able to get somewhere with this. It's just all different. It's just the colours are basically reversed. Oh god. Although function parameters are the same colour as variable names, which may be a problem. You know what? Remind me in half an hour and we'll try Dracula. Yeah, I saw there was a separate Dracula to Pinetron Dracula. But we'll try it in the next half an hour or so. But I might be able to get used to this. The only problem is that, yeah, the variable names and the function parameters are both the same colour, which is a little bit annoying. Although constants are a different colour, which is nice. Methods are a different colour. The imports are a different colour. That's pretty much everything I'd kind of want. I just gotta get used to different colours now. So yeah, what else was there? Was there anything else I wanted to do in here? No. But options. Required choices. Do I want to do a separate video for this? This is the problem. Well, I've already done required and not required. I haven't really done. I've done basic stuff on different types. Channel types. Channel types allowed for the options to only affect application. Oh god. Default value. Oh, we've used the default. Provided if unspecified. No need to do that. Modify controlling how the options should be passed. What does that even do? Alright, see you later, Cider. Thanks for stopping by. It's been a while since I've seen you in the stream, I think. Option modifier. Might have to look into that because I have no idea what that's gonna do. I'm sort of guessing it's like a converter, although surely that'd be the type. Don't know. I simply don't know. I don't know why I keep closing it down. You know, we'll just have it in the same thing. We'll just have it in like options, I suppose. Oh, this blue cursor is weird. Lightbulb dot commands. I'm not sure all the options go above, but we'll just have it called ops, I suppose. And then lightbulb dot implements command dot prefix commands. And did I turn the caps lock or not? I didn't. Commands dot slash commands. Oh, objects and actually, I think that's never mind. I think that's the same case in IE. Context none. And then okay. So here, so we do lightbulb dot option, and then we go back to decorators, and then we see what the hell we do. So choices. Choices is a nice simple one. I don't know. We'll just have one called color, I suppose. A nice color. And then we'll have choices. Calls red, orange. I think it's yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. I'm setting myself to be embarrassed if I don't know what the colours of the rainbow are. So that just has the choices. Sure, we'll just have that lowercase. Screw it, I can't be arsed. It's a choice I've dealt with before, so we don't need to test to make sure that works. Channel types. Alright, so I guess the type would probably be the next one to check. So I think the option you could do like channel. Channel. And then you can do like type equals Hikari dot channel, or Hikari dot guild channel, I suppose. And that'll only let you select something if it's a guild channel. Await. You know, I will just have like a CTX that responds. Color red. Oh, why did I do that? Oh, that's an interesting box. See options: the color, channel. We'll have a multi-line string, I think. So it's just easy to work with. CTX options channel mention, and then hope that works as I think it does. I think it should. So never mind. Missing one required argument description. I'm guessing we didn't put description. Okay. An example of different options. I can't be asked to be creative right now. Well, that's a very... It's actually changed the colours in the terminal as well, which is interesting. Sort of. Actually, no, not really. It's just made them brighter. Function object has no attribute options. You what? Oh. Yeah, what I've done is I think that goes there. Yep, I did it in the wrong order. So options, ops. Channel. Oh, wow. Yeah. So I then have to hit general color and then just blue. I have error. God damn it. Interaction channel object has no attribute mention. What? Is your Carl's lost cousin? Perhaps. Yeah, I just forgot to move it. Interaction channel. My voice just died there, wow. I guess this is our first foray into the docs this stream, to work out what the bloody hell that is. Well, actually, was it? I presume it was Hikari. Interaction channel. Come on, interactions. Interaction channel. So name the ID. Type. Oh, it acts more or less like you expect. But you would kind of expect. She does. I don't even know if text channel even has a mention. Guild text channel. Oh, it does have a mention. So I just realised I looked at completely the wrong bit when I was Oh god, now I've lost it. Interaction channel, there we go. Delete. Oh, that's all you can do. Oh no, there we go. Oh yeah, you can't mention it. That's weird. Why can't you mention it directly? That seems super strange. Yeah, I don't know. That seems weird. I've now opened Sublime. Okay, that's... Thank God that wasn't sensitive. You just mentioned... I can do this. I could do it like that and it'll be fine. Okay, I did see something in the lightbulb docs last time I looked saying that member and user stuff doesn't work so well. Or that it either just doesn't work at all. So we're going to test that. Member, and then I don't really trust it, so I'm just going to do that. Ops, there we go. Well, it's pretty fine to me. There we go, yeah. Honestly, the validation is actually really cool. I do like slash commands for this bit. The whole like getting a member and a channel thing. How you could just kind of force it into that. That is one thing I really, really, really like about slash commands. Like, I genuinely, like, generally like the idea of slash commands. On the whole, I do like the idea of them. And I do understand why they're being implemented. To be honest, I actually think it's a good thing. The only problem is they waited too long and now everyone has, you know, relies on different methods and just gone, well, you can't do that anymore. Because they didn't implement it initially like they were apparently going to. And only doing it now. And also have just done a terrible job of keeping people updated and all that extra jazz. So if I do now user, a user. Hikari.user. What will this do? Just found Sweden Civ 5. Does this... Can I get any user? Also, why is only very few members actually appearing on this list? It's a very weird selection of users. Can I get, like, anyone? If I were to pick, say, Max out of this server. That's the wrong thing. That kind of just worked actually, but I didn't print it. That looked as though it worked though. Ops. Oh, for Christ's sakes. Oh. Did I change it? No, Christ. Ah! Ops. User. Use that one. Bam, bam, bam. It does work. Do you have to use the ID? I imagine so. Or can it get someone from a okay, it's saying it's invalid. Not a valid user, right. Yeah, it doesn't like that. What if I just get an ID that doesn't exist? Huh, what the hell? Oh, it can actually tell if an ID is a user ID or not, I think. Oh my god. This is a message ID. Oh, it can only tell by regexes. But it does just flat out error the command without you having to do it. The specified user ID is invalid. That's fine. I don't think our command even ever gets called. Okay, that's cool. Right, what were the other ones? Because Lightbulbs docs did... Do I even have Lightbulbs docs on here? No, I don't. I keep having to bloody search for them. And I'm convinced. I am truly convinced that Tom named everything in Lightbulb purely to make it as ungoogleable as possible. It doesn't matter what you search for in Lightbulb, unless it has the word docs on the end, you are not getting it. Try and search for a Lightbulb plugin? No, you can't go with different types of Lightbulb plugins in the real world. It's fine. It's actually fine. Application commands. Oh, does it even have it? I've seen it somewhere. Creating commands. I've definitely seen it somewhere. Oh, application commands. It'll probably be in here. Nope. Which one was it? Googleable will be too easy. True, true. Slash commands. Oh, hello. That just took us to the literally to the raw, the raw thing. Oh, context messages. Interesting. Where the hell is the listing? I'm sure. Oh, yeah, there we go. Message user commands are currently not supported by Hikari, so it will always raise an error if you try to create another either currently. But they're fine? Oh, wait. Create message or user commands you need to add. Oh, you should know the message cannot take any options. I'm guessing that is just a future thing that's just been placed there for... Oh, this is going to be a thing now. Where in the... I'm sure in my life, I swear I've seen a list of different types. Ah, it's here. I was right the first time, I just didn't scroll down. Guild channel, textable channel. Oh god, I can take so many. It can take an invite? It can take a date time? Dude. It can actually take a date time. Although, does that take it with the the T colon syntax? Option type mapping. Oh, this... Okay, so I'm presuming this is a special boolean that does, like... converts, like, false. So that... into actual... into boolean. So it does, like, f equals false or something like that. I'm gonna guess. Timestamp converter, there we go. Oh, it takes a string. Oh, the other problem is read the docs. You don't really get source code, do you? Okay, so apparently we've got a number more to... I'm gonna make this a separate video, dude. This is definitely becoming a separate video because there's so many command options, and then we've got to do, I guess, we'll just do advanced commands, screw it. So next one up, I guess, yeah, okay. I guess I'll just do all of them, screw it, why not? I got time. What I will do, actually, is I'll have them in the order in which they are in the documentation, because that's going to make it easier in the long run. This is going to be the most insane... I'm also going to make all of these optional. Because holy heck. Actually, can I even make them optional? I can make them required equals false. So I imagine it probably already is. I don't know if that'll work. Boolean. They look properly for prefix. Oh right, so well the member and the user ones. Okay, so I'm presuming the datetime.datetime doesn't do anything fancy. It would be quite useful if that did do it though. Fancy converters may come to / commands in the future. Yes. So which ones are the fancy ones? So I'm guessing all of... I'm guessing all the ones that are actual types do work. Maybe. Oh no. Actually, is it all the ones... Oh no, it's not going to be all the ones that are special because they're all in special. So I guess it'll say down here with the resolver. So the boolean, it does actually convert to bool. Yeah, I just found it. So all these convert to different types of channel. Oh, these convert to user and user. I wonder, does Hikari.member work the same as the user? That's a question. And this is an answer. Type bool. Ops user, sure, whatever. Member. If I put in, oh Christ's sakes, that's what I wanted. I have Max's ID. General, sure, true. Oh wow, that's cool. That is cool. Oh, they work the same. Interesting. Okay, yeah, I don't know how many of these I'm actually going to do on stream, to be honest, because I feel as though having the, well, I've got user member already. I feel like having guild channel is probably enough to demonstrate what that does. The guild and the message are weird. The role, the emoji. So I'm guessing the ones that are dot string aren't in any way special at all. What think I'm going to test? I do want to see. I'll just get rid of the user one because it's just bloat. Yeah, okay. I do want to see if, like, this converter does actually, like, convert stuff, or whether it just kind of not does it. Type. To be fair, I don't even know how this how this operates in prefix functions. God damn it. That's DT. It doesn't work at all. Okay. How does it work for prefix commands? Like, is there a specific format you have to pass it in, or does it kind of, or is it like an ISO timestamp? So I might be able to find out. Ah, okay. That's fair. Interesting. A number of these might be nice to show off anyway. I'm going to turn my heater on because I've realised it's quite dark. Not dark, cold. In here. I also warm up. I'm going to see the way it's there. Actually, I've got crackers. I have crackers. They're probably going to be quite loud, but it's fine. Alright, it's now, you know, what we're going to do is we're going to switch theme. We're going to go with the Dracula one. Oh god! I just flashbanged at everyone. Dracula official. Oh god, I'm presuming it's this one. Oh wow, that's... Jesus Christ! Okay, that was a bit better. That was so bright. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, but the... Okay, my initial impression is that I don't like it. Because that is very bright, and that has a horrible colour for the sidebar. Jesus. That is unbelievably bright. Wow. That's brighter than the Andromeda theme, and that's saying something. We'll stick with it for now. I'm gonna have to turn the brightness on my monitor down, otherwise I'm gonna burn my eyes out. Okay, that's more manageable. That's a little bit nicer now. Just try and go in there as quiet as possible. Sorry. I did not think this through. What am I doing? I'm in the wrong car. Okay, I thought comments were outlined for a second now. Does it have? It doesn't have coloured imports. Alright, see you in a bit, Dark332. You've also got a star next to your name now. I don't know if that means anything. You got a star. Well, like, if I switch back to IU, for example, you can see that oh god, I'm sorry. You can see that the imports are blue. So I can tell that this is from, you know, a variable that's on the namespace, but I can tell that this is actually directly from the import. Which is really useful, I find. Dracula... Actually, it sort of does have that. But... Wait, what? It doesn't colour them up here, but it does down here. Or... What? How are these colours being set? Because I've imported commands and that's not doing it. But is it like module level only, but not up here? It's actually very similar to Monaco. Something I've just kind of realised. This well, at least Sublime's Monaco anyway. With the orange and the italics. At least part of it's similar anyway. I think the imports, I think this pink syntax is similar too. Don't mind me, just talking him. So I guess we'll call that partially planned. I'll come back to that later, but I don't want to spend like 8,000 years on converters. Ooh. Right. So next thing, command groups. .5. This is at least. This chapter's going to be huge. So command group. Oh god, what do I even do for command groups? What example could I possibly have for command groups? Trying to think. Because I'd need something quite simple, ideally. Oh, maybe just an example group again, perhaps. There are examples I can think of, but they all kind of rely on other things that I'd need to like, go over, which I don't necessarily want to do. So I guess I'll just do groups. I might plan this a little better off camera. But for now, we'll just, you know, get up and go. Import late bulb. From late bulb. Import commands. I also don't know how long I'm going to stream for, to be honest. Wait, what the hell? Methods are great. Oh, to be fair, yeah, I'm not a huge fan of Dracula, to be honest. I've kind of decided that I'm not really a huge fan of what I'm seeing here, but we'll stick with it for the time being. Lightbulb dot plugin. So that blue's quite nice. Name, we'll call it, I guess, groups. Also forgot you can have descriptions for plugins. I wanted to come back to that idea. Right, I think, can you do, no you can't. Oh, it's still plugin.command, but then it's lightbulb.group. No it isn't. Command group? How did I do this before? God damn it. Creating command groups, there we go. Oh, it's in the implements. I see. Okay. Lightbulb dot commands. I guess group. God knows. Group. Lightbulb dot implements. Commands dot prefix command group and commands dot slash command group. I just got a notification on my phone. Okay, it's my mum. I'll get back to it in a bit. Right, okay. So async def command group. I'll take a context, which is, I don't know what that's going to be, honestly. Is there a separate context for this sort of thing? I also don't know how they're evoked, so respond. This is a group. Same context, okay. So do hang on, so it'd be command group not child, isn't it? Versus command like object. I don't remember if you then call the plugin one first. Okay, yeah, that's how you do it. Dot childs at lightbulb dot commands. We'll just do like No. I'm getting real lazy with the with the names here. Lightbulb.implements. I think this is fine. I will double check. Nope. With the guide before I could. That was a totally normal noise. I won't hear anything of it. Oh, it's sub command. Async def command group child ctx, which is 9, and then await ctx to respond. This is a child. Okay, so how? I didn't realize it was already in the terminal. Oh no, it's missed it every single time. It's almost like I need a new sex add-on or something. To be fair, those add-ons aren't really built for this right now. I need to re-implement them to be how they were originally envisaged before I'll do anything like that. Oh goodness, that is a cursed image. Group child. This is a child. Okay, I really need to like come up with a better system. Oh, I don't know what I can do to as like a good example of this that doesn't involve doing extra stuff that I'm gonna have to go over, like API requests or something. This is super useful for those tags. A simple example, not one that's gonna do that. Although maybe I can see what you mean, but like I don't want to have to then. Ideally, something where I wouldn't have to be like, we're not going to build the functionality for this. I want to integrate an API because I'd have to do a video on API requests first. You know this. You know people aren't smart enough to just understand API requests if I was to just do one. That's the problem. Plus, I want to keep it as integrated with the Hikari thing as possible. While I'm still, because this is still kind of going over basics and that. I could do a bit of like a meme command. You know what? Plugin.d/words. There we go. We're gonna have a command called word. The group for words, and we're gonna have a series of commands that adds and deletes words from that list. I do need to activate the data store though. Include data store equals true. So this could be, oh, I'd need to go over data stores, I think, before this point in the series, don't I? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Word. I don't know how that. I'm just gonna put that word group and then add a word to the list. Oh Christ, on a bike, dude. Well, that was wrong anyway. What am I doing with my life? Word, and then this one would be add, and then plugin.d.words.add, and then we actually, like, ideally need a word to add. Lightbulb.command word, the word to add. I guess that was, it's not also add is append. I'm now getting my languages confused somehow. Absolute banger. And then we need remove a word from the list. Dot remove word removed. I can feel my arm. I can feel the carpal tunnel coming on setting. I need a. Oh, that's not good. Well, this keyboard isn't even that rough. I don't actually know how ergonomic thin keyboards are. But I'm pretty sure they're more ergonomic than thick ones. But then, you know, obviously I need an ergonomic keyboard, but trying to find an ergonomic keyboard with a backlight is an impossible task. Like, absolutely impossible. Like, if someone does know of an ergonomic keyboard that lights up, do let me know. I won't be able to buy it because I can't afford it, but do let me know if it does exist. Words, and then we don't want to do it like that, really. So join words. What? So do the words. Okay, so what happened there? I really don't know. Oh, I'm a twat is what happened there. That needs to be option. That somehow just completely broke it. Oh yeah, word view, word add, word remove. we add a word, say hello. If we add another word, say, you know, Jackster, and then maybe add a third, is, I think you can see where this is going, like that. And if we do word view, we get hello Jackster is cute. What can I say? I mean, I don't write the bot. Well, I did write the bot, but I don't make the rules. You know, this just happened. This is an event of nature. It's purely coincidence. So if we do word remove hello, I'm not going to bother doing any validation because screw that. But if we were to do word view now, okay, I'd say that is a good example of command groups, albeit entirely useless in practice, and all of them with the same function name somehow, but all working, weirdly enough. Very strange. Try doing that in Discord.py. Actually, I do want to test if they work on the standard stuff. Add view. Oh, words view. Words remove. Lul. Okay, that works fine. Okay, that's command groups dealt with. Where's the plan? I closed it down. I cannot deal with this theme anymore. I'm sorry, I just can't. There we go. So command groups, we have now planned that. Yay! Now command checks. Right. What checks are there? There isn't a guide for checks. God damn it. Light bulb dot. Can I jump there? Yes, I can. Owner only, guild only, DM only, bot only, webhook only, human only. Anyone other than human. It's come off for being used by anyone other than bot. This is a strange one to have. Is there even like a? I suppose with prefix commands, slash commands, that can't be a thing though, can it? These are like other. Oh my god. This looks like an absolute mess. That does not look fun. So these are all the different commands. Also the different things. Oh, these are parenthesized ones. Has roles. You know, we'll do a has roles. Has roles. You know, we'll think of another command to do. Command, light bulb. To add checks, light bulb. Dot has roles. And then, does this accept a role? Or accepts a. Okay, the role ID. Okay, what roles even are there? I don't even know what roles there are in the server. This is test one. Do I have that? Yes, I do. And then light bulb dot command, and this is the point where still haven't thought of a suitable admin command. The only other one in Carberra is that error command. That's not really that useful. Interesting. Exec. I could do, yeah. Execute a query. And then we're gonna have ephemeral equals true for this one, I think. Well, I say that as though this is actually going into a real bot that I'm going to be using. Commands dot. We'll have it. We'll have it. We'll have a slash commands thing. CTX, and then we're probably going to need an option that has the query. Light bulb dot dot option query. The query to execute. I don't know if query is really the right word, but I can't be asked. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this just is exec query, and I'm fully aware that this probably isn't error handled, and I will have to go back and do that, but it's fine. Await ctx.response result of query. Oh yeah, that would be dot options dot query. Would be result. Actually, we could in theory have like actually, I've got a cool idea. This may or may not work as intended, but have that there and have the result print like that. When do you think this series is getting released? Pretty much as soon as possible after the Hikari stable comes out. The current estimate is January 2022. But I can't really get any more specific than that, unfortunately. Hang on, what did I call it? Oh yeah, exec. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals none. Fantastic. I'm guessing that there's something I'm missing here. How do you get the result out of it? Oh, do you maybe have to like print it or something? Use eval, not exec. Oh yeah, okay, that works. Hey, nice. I probably want to change the evaluate, and there's now it's evaluate. It'll be a statement rather than a query as such. So I could do eval and hex. No, we'll do hex of 69 because why not? Oh, hello. String object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Oh yeah, because you actually do pass an int, don't you? But for some reason I just got I forgot how Python worked. 0x45. That's cool. I like the little touch of the output there. Okay. So that then tests, yeah. That's just something to check if we have the rolls. Basically, nothing too complicated. Now I think the rest of the video I'll just go over the different types of checks you can have. There's not really any point in making an example out of each one. I'm guessing these aren't to be used, considering they have an underscore in front of them. Yeah, they're just the callbacks, okay. So they're using Linux as your daily driver. I did used to use Linux as my daily driver, sort of. I had a combination of Windows and Linux, and I switched away from it in favor of WSL. So an answer, I suppose yes. I use Pop! OS for programming stuff and streaming and recording, and then I used Windows for editing and games, basically. And I use Windows for editing because I didn't have enough space in my Linux partition for DaVinci Resolve, because it was full of TensorFlow stuff at the time. So yeah. TensorFlow is not small. It's not a small library. It's really very quite big. But it's fine. It's actually fine. It's completely 100% okay. Hold on. Right, we'll do cooldowns. I think we'll end the stream. We'll go back into fun. This is a really good one to give to the echo command, I think. Right. Here's a question. How in the name does this work? Oh, beautifully it works. Fantastic. Oh, well, it's the same as Discord.py. Okay. Does the uses have to be passed? Oh yeah, everything does have to be passed. Oh my god, callback. Oh, this just broke apparently. Takes the context the command was invoked under, returns an appropriate bucket object to use for cooldowns in the context. Jesus. Okay. I'm not gonna worry about that, I don't think. And then the bucket. The light bulb dot cooldown. Nope. Oh, what is it? Ah, cool. It's this. User bucket, guild bucket, global bucket, and channel bucket. No member bucket. That's interesting. The member bucket was actually the one I used the most because it was per user per guild. So that might be worth adding. Now, we'll just stick a user bucket on it. Lightbulb.command echo. Have me say a thing. Have me saying a thing. Wow. Oh god. Well done, brain. That's all I have to say to that. Lightbulb.implements commands.prefix command commands./commands async def command echo ctx none awaits ctx.respond. Oh, I need the message. Lightbulb.commands. Oh, options. Oh, this when I can get the thing out, I would need text to echo. I need to do the greedy thing, don't I? Is it flags? Oh, bollocks, I don't remember how this works. I need to do that thing where, like, on a prefix command, it captures everything. I do not remember for the life of me how that's done. Or actually, well, correction. I don't know for the life of me how that's done. I've never known. I'm sure. It's like a greedy thing. Is it? Oh, it might be in a modifier actually, you know. Oh, let me search for greedy in here. Yeah, it looks as though it is. So consume the entire remainder of the stream. Oh, it's consume rest. Not greedy, okay. So it'd be, not this, it'd be modifier. Oh, so the modifier is actually bloody useful then. Okay, fine. That is probably something I want to put in there. Okay. No, read the docs does it. It monetizes your documentation for you, so you don't have to. Yeah, it's not too awful. It only puts it at the sides. It's really not too awful, to be honest. Oh, it's commands. Option modifier. There we go. Dot consume rest. Kyle consumed. Oh god, what have I done? Oh, for Christ's sake. Text. Oh, no, it would be echo. Hello. How are you? Beep. And if I were to do this. Okay. I need to set time up for longer because I actually need to trial it. Echo, blah. Come on, it's on cooldown. Try again in 7 seconds. Oh, it just automatically. I may have actually already done the command handling for that. Come to think of it, I do think I did the command handling for that already. That would be a big fat yes. Okay. Sure. That works. Oh, I'm gonna need to do that modifier thing now, aren't I? God Christ. Now what do I do that isn't a bloody echo? I kinda want to do it here if possible. No, we'll actually have a plugin.com. I've got an idea. We'll do this and then we'll end the stream. Lightbulb.option name. Your name. Pretty simple stuff so far. Dot option age. Your age. Again, pretty simple things. Welcome back, Colour. You're just kind of catching the end of the stream now. Lightbulb.option description. A description of yourself. Modify equals lightbulb dot modify. This is going very much off the end of the screen now. Oh, it's commands. It's commands. Commands dot option modifier dot consume rest. Lightbulb dot commands. God, you really do end up with a kind of a build your bio with a huge decorator chain, don't you? Lightbulb dot implements commands dot prefix commands and then commands dot slash command. Oh, good old, we do like a good old slash command around here, don't we? Yeah, can you tell I'm starting to go a bit crazy? This is what life does to you, man. All you youngins don't know what it's like to be 23 and actually gone insane. Exposure to life kind of does this to you. It's not something you want to look forward to. So await ctx.respond. Okay, boomer, yeah, basically. That's pretty much accurate at this point. The moment anyone turns 21, you can call them a boomer. Sorry, Tom, but it's just true. Oh, so we can't drink without getting massive hangovers anymore, and our backs are just gone. My name is that one song that has that in a lot. My name is name. I am God. I am ctx.options.age. Years old. You know what? For the memes, 1000 separator. And then we'll just have the description. Cool. So now I have bio. Why is the description first? Oh, because it's done in order. I've done every single command in the wrong order. Shit. Every single one of the fun commands, all the ones I did in this video, all in the wrong order. Oh, actually, there's not many. There's really not many that have multiple. Actually, it's only the two. Okay, it's not as bad as I perhaps may have thought. That's fine. We'll just leave the other one as is. Bio. I saw the sorry in there. What were you apologising for? What do you do? Bio. Why? It's still. Oh, now it's registered. It won't go back. Fine. Have it your way, Discord. See if I care. Actually, you know what? I can unregister it. This is where my genius knows no bounds. This is where I become Jeremy Clarkson and become a god. Oh, wrong server, fair enough. As we all know, Jeremy Clarkson is a god amongst men. Buy it. Okay. Buy it. Okay. Buy it. Okay. Oh, it's still commented out. That would help. Buy. Oh, God's sake. There we go. Name. Yeah, I'll just use my first name. Age 23. I am currently streaming on Twitch. My name is Ethan, I'm 23 years old, and I'm currently streaming on Twitch. If you were to do this here, this should work. We did it! We did it, Reddit! Oh man. Okay, so that is command cooldowns. That's command cooldowns planned. God's sake. Okay. I forgot that's what we were doing. Alright, so that's section 4, I think. Done? Maybe? Oh no, because we've got to do loading, unloading, and reloading extensions. Oh. Bloody hell. Well, that might actually need to go... Oh, but we need to do commands. That'll be 4.8, I suppose. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe it'll be 4.8. We'll have to see. Is there anything other than loading, unloading, and reloading extensions in terms of commands? Like just command creation and extension creation? Because obviously most of the other things are going to use commands. But is there anything specifically about commands that is missing from that? Because I don't think so. So that was a very short song. Almost like a minute. Yeah. I think that's everything in terms of commands and stuff. So we're going to leave it there for now. Well, I mean, there's the loading, unloading, and reloading. Oh, should I just do that now? I might as well just do that now. Screw it. Well, I can go in admin actually. Oh, but then reload. Okay, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's actually fine. Lightbulb dot. Sure. Add. We'll add another check. We'll just do lightbulb dot. This is the bloody command I could have done. Whatever. It's fine. It's actually fine. It's probably better I did it with an eval actually, because then I can just do extensions at the end rather than just randomly in the middle. Lightbulb.option. I'm fine. The extension. Oh, I could have done this in command. Oh, actually no. Same reason. I could actually do this as a group. Yeah, I could do. Extension. Load, unload, and reload extensions. And then lightbulb dot implements commands commands dot prefix command commands dot slash okay command go away async def command extension ctx none. I'm pretty sure like it's like stuff inside groups never actually gets called. And I think it does if you pass through... Oh, actually what we will do in here. I think it does if you pass through... is it like what, invoke without command or something? I forget what it is exactly. Does that go there? That doesn't go there. Oh, where does it go? I'm sure there is an invoke without. Oh, whatever. We'll leave it for now. Command extension dot be child at lightbulb dot add. Oh no, well, we can just inherit checks from the group. Load and then inherits checks. There's actually one we can use it equals true. Load an extension. Lightbulb dot option name, the name of the extension, and I'm gonna have to work out how in the world to get extensions out of or out of plugins, I suppose. Lightbulb dot inherits implements. I'm genuinely starting to lose my mind. Commands dot slash command async def command extension load ctx and none, and then plugin equals it'd be ctx.bot.get. Oh, it's not. No, hang on. Commands context dot slash context. Oh, it'll just be context, I suppose. There we go. So ctx dot bot and dot, and then we should get autocomplete. There we go. Get listeners, get me. Get plugin. There we go. Name dot title, just in case someone's passed in. Options dot name dot title. Rather. And then plugin like that. And then to do an onload one, you would have to make sure that if ctx.options.name dot lower equals admin, but you wouldn't want them to unload the admin cog because that would be quite bad. Then await ctx.response. You cannot unload the admin extension. And then this would be remove plugin. And then I have absolutely no idea. You can reload we can say that we can reload it. Is there a reload? Oh, I'm not getting the autocomplete. Oh, there's reload extensions. Oh, this might actually be a little bit easier than getting the plugin and doing all that. Unload extensions. Ah, no, that's not what I want to do at all. What in the neck? Oh, that was super weird. I don't know how I did that. Lower. This needs to be lower. Although actually it would be probably we'll do this next time. There's actually more to this than I thought there was going to be, so we'll actually do it later. There's load extensions from. That's the one I did. Yeah, okay, we'll handle that next time. Because there's like a lot of like additional checks and stuff we need to do. Fun. But yeah, that's going to do me for the stream. Hope people have enjoyed. Thanks to everyone for stopping by. There's been a good number of them. Could be a good number of you. And I will see you next stream for when we do probably more of this, maybe, I don't know. I'll see you next video for some tutorial video, maybe. Probably be on Monday, because assignment timing has just been rough. So probably Monday. And that'll probably be Mondays from now on as well, anyway. So I will see you later. Bye!